शेनवारा डॉन बॉस्को महाविद्यालयाचो युवा महोत्सव जालो। या महोत्सवाचे उक्तावण कला संस्कृती मंत्री गोविंद गावडीन ढोल ताशांच्या गजरान केले। या वेळार पणजेचे महापौर विठ्ठल चोपडेकार आणि हेर मानेस्त हजर आशिल्ले। आरडीएक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
At the count of three, a one, a two, a three.
शिक्षण आम्ही घेऊया, शिक्षण आम्ही घेऊया, शिक्षण आम्ही घेतले जाल्यार फुडार आमचो घडोवया, फुडार आमचो घडोवया।
जय 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 गरम जय गरम जय गरम जय 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 गरम जय गरम जय गरम जय गरम जय 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 गरम जय गरम जय।
अरे रावात रे किती झालं तुमचे? तुम्ही आजकालच्या तन्नाटे मरे गुरगे मार तुम्ही आणि असले काम करता।
I was delighted this afternoon to see this lovely street play that our young people put up on the life and works of Don Bosco. Don Bosco used to always say that he wants his charges, his students, to be good citizens of one's country and to be God-fearing people, God-fearing men and women. And so, my dear friends, coming from all our three different institutes, my wish for you, our wish for you is precisely this, just as Don Bosco wanted it, that we would want you to be wonderful citizens of our country, India.
आज म्हणजे प्रथम कर्तव्य जावन आसा की आमची संस्कृती जी आसा ती मुखार व्हरपाक जाय आणि ही संस्कृती टिकोवन दवरपाचे खातीर आज आमकां नवे भुरगे तयार करपाची गरज आसा। एका वेळाचेर संस्कृतीक प्रसिद्धी नाशिल्ली, संस्कृतीक वेगळे वेगळे प्रतिमा नाशिल्ली, पण अशा वेळाचेर आमच्या जाणट्यांनी आमच्या पूर्वजांनी मानावयली संस्कृती टिकोवन दवरली आणि ती टिकोवन दवरपा खातीर आज आमी सगळे सातत्यान हांगा ह्या सभागृहांत मुखार आसात, ह्या ग्राउंडाचेर उबे आसात। To make this education and make this culture its own identity and to flourish it our art and culture not only in Goa but in the state and even across the borders. I wish once again and I'm congratulating to all the team members of the Don Bosco College and all who are present over here. Thank you one and all for inviting me and to be witness as a chief guest over here. I thank you once again to you all for listening me patiently. Thank you one and all and God bless you. I also wish you all the best for your future endeavors and your forthcoming examination to be excelled and to be cracked down. Thank you very much.